Welcome back. If you're here, it's because you've said yes to porting a line with your new Troomi phone. Before we move forward, it's important you do not cancel your service before porting. If you have a number with a prepaid service, you'll need to convert it to a postpaid service by going to the store you got it from. And finally, this porting process can take up to 24 hours. With that information in mind, press continue. Here, you'll need to fill out the carrier information. Once you've filled out the information, press continue. It's time to grab that new Troomi phone. Power on your Troomi phone and swipe down to connect it to Wi-Fi. It's important that you're on a strong, stable connection that isn't public. We found that if you do it on a public Wi-Fi or a hotspot, the software on the phone can run into issues. Once connected to Wi-Fi, click the purple Troomi app on the phone and then press Scan QR code. You'll scan the QR code with the Troomi phone by pointing the camera at your phone or computer screen. Nice job. Once that's done, you'll pick a monthly plan. Like it says, our most popular plan is the Discover plan, but please choose a plan that best works for your family. Once you've selected your plan, select Next. You'll then see a review of what you'll be charged today. This is subject to change due to promotions. Then you'll see your monthly totals, which is what you'll be charged every month. In this case, the Discover plan and the warranty for a total of $36.90 before tax. After you review and agree to the terms and conditions, tap Add Device. You're almost done. At this point, you'll need to contact our customer support team to help transfer your number. Select the link to get in touch with them. It usually takes about 24 hours to complete the process. Once the port is finished, you'll be contacted by our support team. With your order now complete, you may have noticed that your Troomi phone rebooted. If it didn't, please do that now. When your Troomi phone reboots, it finished installing all other Troomi apps automatically. When you open the purple Troomi app, it should say your child's name and a phone number. Please note that this is a temporary phone number. Head back to the parent portal on your phone or computer. You may have to refresh the page here, but you'll look for the message that instructs you to finish onboarding. And make sure that your Troomi phone has everything correct, then press continue. At this point, you just have to acknowledge the replacement PIN fee, and then select Finish. One last step, you'll need to set a few quick permissions on your newly set up Troomi phone. To do that, swipe up and locate the orange Troomi dialer. When it opens up for the first time, you'll be greeted with a permission list for Do Not Disturb. Scroll down just a bit until you see our dialer. Toggle it on, then press back. Congratulations, your Troomi phone is now activated. If you run into any bumps, no worries. Just contact our support team. Thanks for trusting Troomi to help keep your kids safe and connected in a healthy digital space.